GST Business Model, Masters of Commerce, 4th semester, Bangalore University, Session 14. GST Procedures. In this session, you're going to learn about the advertisement services and OIDAR services. Learning objective to discuss about the place of supply provisions on advertisement services and OIDAR services. Session outcome to know about the provisions on place of supply of advertisement services and OIDAR services with the examples. As per Section 12, Clause 14 of the CGST Act of 2017, the place of supply of the advertisement services shall be any advertisement services to the central government, the state government, statutory body, or local authority identified in the contract or agreement. The place of supply shall be taken as being in each state or states of the union territory. The value of such supplies specific to each state or union territory shall be in proportion to the amount attributable to services provided by way of dissemination in the respective states or union territories, as may be determined in terms of the contract or agreement entered into this in this regard, or in the absence of such contract or agreement on such other basis as may be prescribed. Some of the examples of advertisement services are, suppose take for example the PVR Cinemas advertisement in Bangalore branches agrees to show a don't drink and drive awareness ad from the Karnataka government before every movie. So here the PVR Cinemas of Bangalore have agreed to show don't drink and drive awareness ad from the Karnataka state government before every movie. So here the place of supply is in Karnataka. So the CGST and SGST tax will be payable. And next is suppose the central government gives an advertisement contract to ADS Limited to promote Make in India in all the states. So the ADS Limited is registered in Delhi. The place of supply will be Delhi plus other states or union territories. So the tax applicable will be, for Delhi it will be CGST and UTGST, and remaining all other states it will be CGST and SGST. For remaining states it will be IGST. Online Information Database Access and Retrieval Services. Online OIDAR services is a category of services which is provided through the medium of internet and received by the recipient online without having any physical interface with the supplier of such services. OIDAR services is defined in Section 2, Clause 17 of the IGST Act of 2017 as OIDAR services means the services whose delivery is mediated by information technology over the internet or an electronic network, and the nature of which renders their supply essentially automated and involving minimal human intervention and impossible to ensure in the absence of information technology, and includes electronic services such as advertising on the internet, providing cloud services, provision of e-books, movie, music, software and other tangibles through telecommunication networks or internet, online gaming, providing data or information retrievable or otherwise to any person in electronic form through a computer network. 6. Online supplies of digital content. 7th, digital data storage. And the non-OIDAR services are supplies of goods where the order and processing is done electronically, supplies of physical books, newsletters, newspapers or journals, services of lawyers and financial consultants whose advice claims through mail, booking services or tickets to entertainment events, hotel accommodation or car hire, educational or professional courses where the content is delivered by a teacher over the internet, offline physical repair services of computer equipments, advertising services in newspapers, on posters, and on television. Thank you.